What's up, people, and how's it going? Today we are here for a Brawl Stars video, or you can say Ball Stars, cause we only play Brawl Ball. See what I did there?
Yep.
Okay, whatever. Brawl Stars, cause we play some other things also. And today I'm with my friend Aman aka Lol King as always.
Hi guys.
You should like say hi. Okay, leave it. That's okay. That's like a thing of yours. Okay, whatever. Two players found. That's us,
Again,
obviously.
this game is super slow. Nobody is playing this game.
Yeah, I also realize nowadays nobody's playing this game. That's like the
Yeah.
players are found so slowly. Either
Okay,
nobody's
we
playing
need
this
to
game or
unlock
nobody is on our level, cause our level is bad.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm taking my
That's
my
also
this
true.
ball. Okay, please help me.
Okay,
Don't
I
let this bull
cannot
kill me.
provide support. I cannot provide support.
What? Why not?
I don't know.
Wait.
Why are you going in?
Okay,
Oh,
okay. Pass.
okay, it's
Distributor, distribute the ball to me.
Oh, no, 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 no.
No! How dare you, king of etc. How dare you? I'm going to score.
Oh,
Well,
man.
I'm not going to score, but I'm trying to score.
I'm trying to.
Spike!
But it's not possible.
There was no way that you would score that.
Yeah, that's also true.
Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy.
They are coming. Oh no.
You're gonna
Oh,
die.
no, no,
You're
no.
gonna die. You're gonna die.
Nice.
Yes. Go ahead, distributor. Don't distribute the ball to the other
Yes.
people. Distribute
Go.
it to the other people's goal. Understand?
Yes, no.
Well,
I think
you
he
didn't do
died.
anything.
No, he's not
You're
dead.
stupid.
He's not
You
dead.
distributed the ball to them. Exactly the thing which I told you not to do. I have my super.
Okay,
Let's go.
take the ball. I am going to like clear the path for you.
Distributor, you
Oh,
help
no,
me.
no.
I'm dead.
Oh, no.
Great.
Oh, I'm dead.
You also dead?
This is all on him.
This
Yeah, I'm also
distributor will just distribute the ball to the other people. He'll not do anything. Stupid.
Yeah.
Die.
Okay, I got the ball for 1 second. No. Bull should not get the ball. Otherwise, the consequences are bad. Go.
Goal!
Yes.
That was awesome.
Nice one.
That
that was
actually I thought would not go in, but that went in. That was just awesome. I'm gonna kill this
Yeah.
bubble gum.
We take the ball.
I have the ball.
No, not nice. Okay, you still have the ball.
Yeah, I know.
Go. This is it.
This is it, the victory! Yes! Yes! Hey, distributor!
Nice one.
How dare you become the star player? How dare you?
Yeah, I am also confused.
He didn't
You
even
should
do
become
anything.
the star player because you did everything.
Yeah, I killed some people, I scored some goals. Or even if you were also the star player, I understood. But that guy was doing nothing except distributing the ball to the other people. Even his name says that. Distributor.
Yeah, I know, but it's okay. We at least got a win.
Yes. First time. First match. I mean, not first time, but first match.
First win.
Yeah, first win, first match. Okay, I said it the opposite way again. First match, first win. Or I should say, first match, win. That's more appropriate.
Again, nobody is playing this game.
Yeah, I mean, like, literally, for finding some players, it is taking so much time.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we are.
The game found some people.
Yes.
Oh no. Again, Bull and this guy are
Okay,
going to destroy us.
he's
I'm going to give you
barbarian.
some health.
Okay,
I'm going to give you some health, but it's for no use. Oh no.
okay, that was bad.
No.
That was bad.
Yeah, that was bad. Me and
Don't.
the third partner are going to try, but
Is the third partner good?
you know, I don't know, man.
Oh, shit. I'm just putting it ahead so that they don't score.
No,
You need to come. You need to do something. Do something. No! How dare you, whatever your name, whatever language your name is written in, I mean, it's EOH, but starting letter I don't
No,
understand.
no.
What is your name anyway?
Nice. Don't die. Just don't die.
Pass the ball.
I have the ball.
I have health.
Yeah, you have health. I have the ball. No.
I'm providing sub,
I don't
and I'm
want to
dead.
kill me. Okay.
I'm dead.
Oh no!
Can you
Bull
understand
the
what that
ball.
guy's name is? That Nihoha,
What?
whatever his name is. No, the bull. You can't kill
That
me.
is some,
Yeah, this guy who is about to
that's some
score.
Chinese name or something.
I don't know. It's EOH, but the first letter is not clear. I'm just trying to figure that out from like after 2 minutes of the match. That's really got me into it.
Yeah.
But I'm not.
No.
I'm
The
going to
ball,
take the ball.
take the ball.
I couldn't take.
No.
I'm still going to take the
You're
ball
gonna
anyway.
lose. Oh, nice. Third partner.
Third partner
Yes.
pass. What?
Partner,
He
good
just
third
passed
partner.
to some other random guy. Daryl. Pass it to me.
Not a great third partner.
Well, what do you expect? Don't you know the history of our third partners? Don't you remember Paris?
Yeah.
Oh! What? What? That was so
my
unexpected.
God.
That was good.
Yeah. It is even now. It's even. So I have the ball.
I'm going to take it.
Die. No, I'm not going to die. This is great. This is.
Shoot or pass. Shoot or... Oh!
Yes.
Whoa!
Oh
Whoa!
my God.
Hey, did you just realize that last match I was the one who scored both of the goals, and in this match you are the one who scored both of the goals?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
But we got like 2 matches and 2 wins.
Yeah, that's awesome. You're going good today, people.
Yeah. Let's. Yeah.
Very good, in fact. Okay. Still the
Just
people.
overconfident. We
Oh,
will
yeah.
play one more match.
Yes.
Hopefully we win.
Whatever. We are going to play 3 matches of Brawl Ball and 3 matches. That's like 2 matches we already won. So we won the series basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
You are
I'm
dead.
it's
So
all
I
on you.
have to do everything
Good luck.
ahead, alone. But I'm going to die. Okay, I'm dead. They all 3 are coming together.
Not kill me. Okay, he killed me.
Okay, I'll not let them score. Well, probably they'll score, but I'll not let them. Yes, I did not let them score. Okay, I'm dead.
Oh, you're dead.
But you got to thank me for not letting them score. I deserve that credit.
I'm going with the ball. With no confidence.
But yeah, that was no
Oh, the
confidence.
third partner has the ball.
But he did
Third
not
partner
score.
has the ball. I think he shot it.
No, he shot it, but he did not score. I was right there, watching it all. And third partner is the third partner.
Okay, I killed him.
If the third partner is good, that will be rewriting history. That will be divine. That will be, I don't know, no words for it. We had a good third partner one time, right?
Yeah, we had a good third.
But he was not
partner, and
excellent.
once he deserved a star of the.
Yeah, but that was just one time, and he was not so excellent also. Okay, help me. Okay, I forgot to take the ball. Pass it to me. Don't pass it to AB Army or whatever her name. What? What is she doing?
Oh no.
I'm going to try to kill this guy, but I'm going to die. Okay. This is a score. This is a goal.
No.
It's a goal. Oh, how did you save that? That was unexpected. That was fully unexpected. Wait, why are you giving it to AB Army? She's just shooting it ahead. Oh, that's a pass.
Nice, you have the ball.
Yeah, but the area is not clear at all. I have no support. Okay, I'm dead.
You are dead.
There's no chance that I could do that.
No, you cannot. Okay, I have the ball.
I'm having internet problems.
No. I'm going to provide you some health when you lose some. Okay, here you go. But okay, here you go. More. No, we lost the ball.
Give it to me.
No.
I'm going to shoot it. Blindly shoot it. Okay, I don't even. Overtime. They are coming to shoot already.
This is stressful.
Our third partner is a little helpful. Wait, that was a rhyme.
Yeah, very helpful actually.
That was a rhyme. Do you realize? Pass it. Pass
Oh
it.
my
Oh, not to them. You idiot, not to
God.
them.
No. Oh
You.
no, Okay, I have the ball. No, 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 I'm
You
gonna
don't
die.
have the
I'm
ball
dead.
because you're dead. You can't have the ball. Okay, I'm
Oh,
dead.
you are also
No,
dead.
court is coming. Are
Third
you
partner is
revived?
also dead.
Are you? Yes, you are revived. Good. Kill him, kill him, kill him. Yes, thank you.
No, you cannot kill me.
Who's this third person who's like putting earthquakes and all?
Yeah,
Who's
that's
that?
some player.
I don't
Brawler,
remember the
I
name.
should say.
What?
No, 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 no. Arey,
That's going to be a
the
tie.
third partner. Oh.
So obviously the third partner was little helpful, but obviously not that helpful.
Yeah.
Did we just lose? That was a tie, right?
No, it's a draw. It's a draw.
Yeah, that's what I said. That was a draw, right? Tie, draw, same stuff.
Yeah.
So
I'm
now
gonna
we are going to
choose
change to
Daryl.
Bounty. Bounty.
Yeah,
And
Bounty.
Colt is my boy for Bounty.
I have no good brawler for Bounty. But let's give it a
So
shot.
people, if you are a big fan of Brawl Stars, which you are because you have seen this video, so please comment down telling me that do you think that people have started to play Brawl Stars less, and if yes, please tell the reason. And if I think the reason is valid, I will give you a like.
Okay,
And if I think the reason is super valid,
I'm gonna die.
I will probably even pin it. Probably.
Yeah. Probably.
Probably. But if I think that is a very logical reason.
Oh,
But if you don't agree with
okay.
it, then just say, no, I don't agree with it. Nothing happens. Okay, these bombs are very irritating.
No. Oh, okay.
You should have taken
This
tick.
is it. We are gonna lose.
We are definitely going to lose. There's no way we can win.
I'm gonna wait here.
I'm not playing good in Bounty.
Oh. No. We both died. And we are gonna lose. We're gonna lose. Oh. One kill, at least one kill, but I died.
Sorry, people, I have a sore throat, but that's okay. Okay, I'm dying. This match, I'm going to cut it out of the thing because this is the winning day. We won 2 matches, we lost. I'm just kidding. I'm going to put it just so that
Yeah.
I don't
put
know.
it in the Hall of Shame.
Hall of Shame, yeah. Hall of Shame. Actually, there's too much in the Hall of Shame than there is in the Hall of Fame. Actually, that is a huge difference. Please don't ask which is more. Because if you have not seen our old videos, then I think you should. Then you'll probably get the
Yeah.
answer yourself.
Oh, we play a lot of.
We have done like 3 and this is the 4th. So you go and see the other 3 and you'll get to know that what Hall of Shame and Hall of Fame we are talking about. Okay, so this defeat is going in the Hall of Shame. Hall of Shame. Let this go. Okay, so I'm giving up on Bounty. Let's play
Yeah.
Showdown. It's been a long time
This
since I've
will
not played
be-
Showdown.
Yeah, we will play 2 matches now. Only 2 matches.
Of
And we
Showdown.
need a win in those 2 matches.
Should talk a little loudly. I think they can't hear you properly.
Okay. I was saying that we should win matches more because we are playing very bad.
Yeah,
Except in the start.
we played excellent in the start.
Yeah.
According
Very
to
good.
our Hall of Shame.
Yeah. According to that.
Yes, according to that. We played excellent. First, I used to be
I think we have never actually played Showdown in a video.
Yeah, I know that. I was about to say. But when we used to play Showdown, we used to most of the time we used to come first. But then I stopped playing Brawl Stars. But after when I started Brawl Stars after so much time, more than 4 months, Not in 4 months, even more than that. When I started to play, oh, this person is
Oh, you're
good.
dead. I'm
When
gonna
I
die, I'm gonna
started to
die.
play after,
Oh.
whoa, that's too fast. That was depressing.
Yeah. Sudden death.
We are going to play more 2 matches. I mean, more.
One match. One more match.
No, we are going to play more 2 because this is too fast, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that's true. So
Okay, win. I wanna win. One. There's one over here. I'll take it. I took it. Where are you? Okay,
I'm
you're
here.
right in front of me.
Okay, so I can't see anybody. Okay, I saw somebody. I'm going to kill them. I'm going to
Okay,
kill
I
them.
saw someone over here. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
I'm dead.
Okay, you are dead.
You just run. You just run away from them.
Okay.
Run away from them.
I'm just gonna run.
Oh, you need to run.
No. Yeah. He stopped following. That's
Thank
good.
God.
There should be no one
I'm
in
back.
this bush. Oh no.
Oh no.
Spike, no.
That was unexpected.
Spike,
You need
no.
to save yourself.
No.
You need to
Okay,
save yourself.
I killed one at least.
I don't think you will be able to kill
Oh.
the other. What
Oh,
is
man.
going on? What is going on? What is going on? This is depressing, so I'm going to change.
What?
I'm going to change it to heist.
Yeah.
Why did you say brawl ball? You're not playing brawl ball.
By mistakenly.
You do speak loudly. There's some problem with your mic, dude.
Okay. I'll speak more loudly.
Or put your mic in front of your mouth. I love playing heist because it's like very sneaky. I like to go from the
Even
bushes.
I love heist. But I think I should defend. I will
Changing to
defend.
Mr. Bush.
Oh, no. Everyone is attacking.
Oh
Everyone.
my God. I'm your attack. You should
All the
defend.
damage.
They're gonna kill me.
Do you see the damage on
Yeah,
our
I
team?
saw. That's why I'm so. I just could take 59% alone.
No. Oh, okay.
You
I
need to
think I
come to
should-
defend.
I am dead.
You need to defend. Let me take care of the attack.
Yeah, I'll defend you attack.
Because these people are going crazy. And I'm dead.
Yeah.
I'm dead.
You're dead?
Yeah. I know, crazy.
No.
No,
How
this is
dare
not
you?
possible. Not so fast. Not so
So
fast.
fast.
Probably so
Try
fast.
your best. Try your best.
Okay, I'm trying to.
Okay,
You
we
go
are
ahead
just
and
about
kill your.
die.
Finish your save. Let me at least do some damage before. You need to come behind, bro.
But I am busy defending.
Yeah, I'm not saying ahead.
Oh.
I said, oh, damn, bye, boy.
Oh.
This is very infinite in brackets bad. We are gonna play the last match.
Very bad.
Depressing. We are gonna play the last match heist.
Okay.
Okay, this is the last match.
One more.
Okay.
One more
Breather.
player. One more player. Okay.
Breather.
Found it.
We can win, probably. Oh, their team has Leon.
To win this.
Their team has Leon. He's a legendary.
Yeah, I saw that.
He's
Okay,
coming. You need to
all
defend.
are coming to attack. I don't know why everyone is attacking. on
You,
them.
me and Barbarian
Like
will handle
what?
it.
Just do as much damage you can because I am failing at defending. Okay, I died.
Okay,
I died.
you're gonna
No,
lose.
No. We are going to lose again. We are going to. Oh.
But we did a good job here because. So, do you want to play more or should we end this session? I think we should play one more.
I think we should.
We should
Yeah,
play one more.
I was also going to say that.
Last match, for sure. I know I've been saying that for a long time, but
Yeah, I know. You're good.
even if we
just
lose this
wanna
one,
win.
this is the last match. For sure. And we are going to win this one. I got a feeling. Probably in
Yeah,
brackets.
same here.
I said
Yeah,
probably in
again, that
brackets.
hopefully thing comes again.
Nobody's defending nowadays. Nowadays.
Yeah, everybody is attacking. You can do this. You can do
We can do this.
this.
Our damage is going a little more than theirs. Come on.
Yeah,
Come on.
because our teammate is defending.
Yeah.
Yes.
Woo. Yes. Yes.
Did it.
I'm the star player. Yes.
Nice.
Yes. I'm the star player. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. We won. Boom,
At
boom, boom.
least we ended the video with a win.
Yes. I knew this. That's why I know I had a feeling. Though that was probably in brackets, but I knew it.
Yeah.
So people, if you want to see more Brawl Stars content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel Live Life King Size.